Hey guys, I'm Kelsey J. I am a Lexar Elite photographer, and today we're about to embark on the adventure of a lifetime. I'm here in central Vietnam in a town called Phang Nga, and this is the starting point for the 4-day trek into Son Doong Cave, the largest cave in the world. Fun fact, less people have been inside this cave than have been on top of Mount Everest, so this is an incredibly rare opportunity to get some photos of a lifetime. We're about to start the trek into the jungle, and then we will be rappelling into the cave, camping in the cave, spelunking through the cave, and of course taking some amazing photos. Fingers crossed the weather stays on our side, and I'm so excited to see what photos we can get. Let's get going. For this trek, I wanted to be sure to bring the best gear possible, but I needed to pack light because you have to carry all of your gear in one day pack every single day. I'm shooting everything on my Canon EOS R5. The primary lens I've been using is the 15 to 35 millimeter 2.8. Most of these compositions are really huge here, so you need a wide angle lens in order to capture them. I also brought my 24 to 70 2.8 for anything else that we need. But while we're hiking in the cave, we are truly scrambling and climbing and spelunking. So for that, I have the GoPro Hero Black 13. This has been really fun to be able to easily shoot on the go. And in my gear, I'm using my Lexar CF Express cards for the R5. These are so fast. I only trust these cards because I'm not afraid of them corrupting. If I lost the footage from this place, I would be absolutely devastated. So I've only been using the new Lexar CF Express Gold cards. And same with the GoPro, I'm using a Lexar Gold micro SD card for the same reasons. It's fast, I don't have to worry about it corrupting, high quality stuff. Outside of that, I have my tripod. I brought along external lights because it is very dark in here. It is a cave, as you can tell. And that's really about it on this trip. Keeping it very light, but I think it was enough to be able to capture what we wanted perfectly. To be honest, as a travel photographer, the world starts to feel small. Like everything beautiful has already been photographed thousands of times over. So getting the opportunity to photograph this stunning place that so few people have ever stepped into is a dream come true. All right, we made it out of the cave. That was honestly such a crazy adventure, but I have been so excited to download the photos and start editing so I can share them with you guys. Can't wait. Let's do it. I chose the armor for this adventurous trip specifically because it's dust and water resistant and can even withstand up to 3-meter falls, so I knew it could handle the cave easily. And here's the final photos from this wild adventure. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today, but thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to Lexar's YouTube channel for more photography tips and behind the scenes photo adventures like this one.